Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to review my airsoft gun. Since I've been reviewing those Nerf guns, I forgot that I haven't reviewed my airsoft gun. I'm going to be doing the next 1, 2, 3 in the next videos, but this is my favorite one, mostly because it says that and how hard it shoots. It has that, I don't know, it's what real gun, and it looks like a real gun, stuff like that, except for the nozzle. And it has railings right there for a scope. You can take that scope off if you wanted, but I keep it on there. And there's a mag clip that goes with here. You have to smack it in. There you go. See, stuff like that. And it does like that. So if you're older, you can do that. It has a support thing like that, so you don't have to hold it like that. But it came with stuff that you could hold it like that with, so you're not doing that sharp edges. It's called the Echo 1. It's the other side. Trigger, stuff like that. Oh, and you pull that back and it comes back. Then you have to pull it back again to see which way you want to shoot. Like if you wanted to shoot that way, that way, that way, or that way. And of course, I have it shooting that way. You just can flip that, and it says "Duty and Honor" on the back of it. Do not laugh at that. You better not. Okay. On here it's just a skull stuff. On here it's you can run, but you can't hide. Numbers. Lots of numbers. And that's really much it with this gun. It's my favorite and stuff like that. I have more videos. If you want to see, obviously I can't shoot it in the house. But I have more videos of me shooting it, like in the cut video, in the other video, stuff like that. Okay. See you guys in the next video. Bye.